Mustang to check out at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1969 Ford Mustang sports roof or Fastback. 390 V8 underneath the hood, paired up with an automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes. P paint code, so that would be winter blue. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front chrome grille, bright work up front here. If you want to check out the still pictures, you'll see the underside, interior, engine bay. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Get a good look at the flat black hood. Chrome wheels. BF Goodrich radials. If you take a look at the underside, you're going to see that it has some newer steering components, newer exhaust system, and also that this was originally a San Jose DSO California car. Take a look at the floor pans. Looks good underneath there. Also, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Flat black louvers as well as rear wing. Once again, still pictures. Check them out. uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And as you can see, the paint around this car does show well. Nice one for any of your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. We're going to fire it up. Let's hear that 390 run. We'll check out underneath the hood. But first, let's take a peek at the interior. We do have some aging and some signs of wear here on the armrest, as well as the driver's seat. It'll be close to 100 pictures of this car online, so you'll be able to take your time looking through there. Be able to see the rear seats, undersides, trunk, interior. As you can see, we have an aftermarket tack on the steering column. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. There's also a temp gauge underneath the dash. I'll show you that in a second. See, it starts easily. Tack's working. Here's that temp gauge. I guess we can see that. There you go. Was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect any reading off there. I did have the radio working earlier. Also, wipers work. Take a look at the dash. It's in good shape. Also going to see headliner. It's in good shape. Slip around to the rear of this so you can hear it run. A little rumble coming out of that 390. Nothing over the top. It's a good sounding car. Slip up to the front. We'll take out these hood pins. Take a look at the engine bay. So let me pause this a second while I get it open. Underside of the hood paint looks good there also. It's at 390. Aluminum radiator. Polished valve covers. Smooth running. Good looking engine bay too. Heater hose is hooked up. '69 Ford Mustang sport roof or Fastback. Original California car out of San Jose, California District Sales Office. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. First, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Here we have a 1969 Ford Mustang. You can see we have a large tachometer mounted to the column. That does function. radio does function. It's a retro sound style radio. The right blinker indicator works, the left blinker indicator does not. Wipers do work. Fuel gauge is reading half full. Alternator is on the positive side of half of the gauge. Oil pressure is 3/4 of the gauge. That's 60 miles an hour. Go straight down the road. There is wind noise. Have a vibration from the right rear tire. Car brakes straight. Blower motor fan does work. Got a water temp gauge mounted under the dash as well. That's reading 180. This is a floor shift automatic.